Hello dear instructor, this is Fernando Gonzalez and I want to show you how my enhancement tree works. So this is my index.php page, and if I click in my account, as you can see, it's bringing me to the register, the login or SIGAN page, and it's using a key value here in the search bar. I don't know how to explain that, but there is no link referring to the directly to the view folder. This is my HTML code, no errors, my CSS code, no errors, and I will show you the weight evaluation tool. As you can see, no errors and no contrast. So let's go to the register page. In the same way is using a key value link, and like the wave evaluation tool, no errors, and contrast errors, no. Let's see the local CSS, no errors, and finally the local HTML, no errors. And I need to show you as well the view CSS and collapse all. I am not using this. Well, I added this button here in order to go back to the login page, but in the same way it's using a key value link. Let me see. So I want to show you that my page is responsive, my work, and okay. Where can I change my, okay. As you can see, it's adapting to the width of the page. And how, and well, I suppose that is all. And well, as you can see, this is my account PHP, my controller for the registration.php and login page .php. And this is all. Thank you.